Leader of Majority, kindly respond to that statement.
Who is the chair? Which chair? But GK was here. Honorable Speaker, I don't know where the chair transport has gone to, because the last time I checked he was seated somewhere here. But I will relay that information to him, and he can advise the House on Tuesday when he can bring a good answer.
So make sure that you're in the House on Tuesday as a decision on when the statement will be made. Honorable members, the next is a member for Aldas, the Honorable Keinan.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 44.2c, I rise to request for a statement from the Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security regarding the disappearance of a prominent elder from my constituency called Omar Mohammed Noor, nicknamed Omar the Fox. Honorable Speaker, Mr. Omar Mohammed Noor of ID number 210-7537 is a businessman who hails from my constituency Eldas, Wajir County, and operates businesses in Marsabit and Wajir County. He was reported missing on 23rd March 2024 under OP number 13/30/324 at Marsabit Police Station. Madam Speaker, efforts by his family to establish his whereabouts have borne no fruit. This has subjected his family to mental anguish and uncertainty regarding his well-being. Honorable Speaker, Article 29 of the Constitution provides for the right of every person to freedom and security. Madam Speaker, this includes the right not to be deprived of freedom without just cause and the right not to be detained without trial, because this is illegal. It's against this background, Madam Speaker, that I request for a statement from the Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security on the following. One, what is the status of investigation into the disappearance of Mr. Omar Mohammed Noor, alias Omar the Fox, who is a very prominent elder who comes from my constituency? Two, could the Chairperson outline the measures put in place by the Ministry to ensure that Omar Mohammed Noor is reunited with his family? Three, what measures have been taken by the government to ensure the safety of the businessmen operating in this country? Madam Speaker, I've been in touch with security operators both in Marsabit and Wajir, and Madam Speaker, the information coming out is disjointed, Madam Speaker, and doesn't give any direction on the whereabouts of this particular businessman. Madam Speaker, through the chair, we want the whereabouts, because the era of arbitrary arrest is gone, as we have been promised. The era of kidnapping is gone, Madam Speaker. The era of illegal detention is gone. And I want to request the chair, as a matter of urgency, because this is a matter that is so important to us, that he helps us find the whereabouts of this prominent businessman. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you very much, Honorable Keinan. Chair Security, the Vice Chair, please proceed.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker.
Honorable Rasa, please proceed.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, what Honorable Keinan has raised, the issue of people disappearing is slowly coming back. And for all intent and purposes, I thought we buried that with the last government. The idea of Kenyans disappearing, when there are law courts, when there are law enforcers, if anybody is believed to be involved in crime, they must have their day in court. For that reason, Madam Speaker, you give us 2 weeks. We will speak to the ministry to be able to respond in 2 weeks. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you very much, Vice Chair. 2 weeks, Honorable Keinan. I believe that is quite in order, Honorable Keinan.
Madam Speaker, we are talking about the arbitrary arrest, disappearance, and my good friend, the Honorable Raso, a distinguished member and our patron, I thought will be the first person to say that he will submit this report within the shortest time possible. So I want to believe within 2 weeks is such a long time. Because we don't know whether this person is dead. Madam Speaker, if there is an issue of criminal in nature, the law requires that first investigations be conducted, the person be arrested, arraigned in court, and subjected to the criminal justice system. Madam Speaker, just like you have alluded, I thought some of these things were done with the past regimes. So I want to believe with my patron here. 2 weeks is such a long time. Can you give us an answer by Tuesday so that we know whether this person is alive or not? Can we have the answer tomorrow or latest Tuesday?
Honorable members, I see several interventions, but I do not want to encourage debate on this. I would like to ask the Vice Chair, based on the sensitivity of the matter, before I go to you, I'll give a chance to the Honorable Jeanette. 1 minute,
Honorable Speaker, I'm shocked that the Vice Chair can say 2 weeks. Madam Chair, I want him to put himself in the shoes of the family that have lost that businessman. The status, the situation as of today, Madam Speaker, they are suffering, they are in agony, they don't know whether their person is alive or dead, Madam Speaker. And this is